own nutrition defeat in Dhanvi hazard each month. Mumbai is a Tilak clinic in the VHS Kota Civil Hospital. Dhanvi mothers patiently and has doctors measure their height, weight and height. Many are here for a follow-up sometimes.
Newspaper reading Standard 2.
Easy door to door, check for Bihar voter roll. Review.
Amitabh Mustachi's new review India's considering all options including trade diversification to minimize supply chain disruption risk as Iran threatens to close the Strait of Hormuz. The vital sea route carrying 20% of global oil supplies, officials said on Friday.
Nat's interest not deadline to dedicate U.S. trade deal Goyal. Won't sustain preferential edge over rivals. New Delhi. India will enter into a trade agreement with the U.S. only if its trusts are protected and it is able to sustain a tariff advantage over its competitors, while the interest of the farmers, commerce and industry.
Pilot scoring report hints at bias. New Delhi. India's pilot community erupted in anger Saturday over the Air India Flight 171 crash report with American Association investigation wrongdoing on the part of the flight crew from. In an indication that the coming together of the eastern traffic cousins could go beyond the accusation against the government resolution on introducing Hindi from class 1 in the state schools and the lead to a political tie for the coming civic election, Uddhav and Raj Thackeray held a joint victoria to celebrate the state's government withdrawal of its move, sharing a common flag.
Newspaper reading Standard 2.
Easy door to door, check for Bihar voter roll. Review.
Martin's role in Rajah's EC special incentive revision SIR Bihar elections rose just months before assembly talks has been challenged in Supreme Court with area telling the court that the decision has been taken arbitrarily with the impractical time. Teachers coding not amended to suicide says HC. Madness coding a student can't amount to debate the two suicide as it is a teacher's duty to do so. Kolkata HC has held 40 criminal stressing against the Janjapuri.
Sometimes New Delhi, no borders are visible on earth from space, and there is a sense of connecting all of Captain Shivanshi Shukla said from the International Space.
Various Jeddah spin hits the rough on England Tower. A handy spin in all conditions. He failed to make it count on a fifth-day pitch in the Leeds Test that India lost by 5 wickets. Mumbai is certainly not a good time for those season play who formed the nucleus of the economy.
Standard 4. Many students have not brought the newspaper clipping file. If they are not able to read, it is not our fault. Newspaper clipping file. This many students have not. You sit down. Very bad.